Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present my thesis proposal. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fatkul Hikam, and my title is The Effectiveness of Using Assembler Edu Apps as Vocabulary Learning Media at SMPN Satuan Kedek. Let's overview. And in the chapter 1 is introduction, chapter 2 literature review, chapter 3 research method. 1. Background of the study. Why Assembler Edu Apps? Assembler Edu App, a learning media augmented reality program, provides content capability for developing educational material with the end product being QR code using augmented reality. The three-dimensional media itself can be interpreted as media with a view that can be observed in its overall shapes from various angles or directions. Why vocabulary? Richard stated that vocabulary is a core component of language proficiency and provides much of the basic how well learners speak, listen, read, and write. Sheffield states acquiring an educate vocabulary is the most obviously important need in learning a second language. Second, vocabulary is the most important component of the language power. In using the language, students who are rich in vocabulary will be successful both in expression skill, speaking, and receptive skill, listening and reading. But those who are poor in vocabulary will get trouble in these skills. And that's problem statement. There are two problem statements. Number one is using Assembler Edu application effective for a vocabulary learning media at junior high school one Getek. Number two, how do the students respond to Assembler Edu apps vocabulary learning media at junior high school one Getek? And the purpose of the study, there are two purposes of the study. Number one, to find out whether Assembler Edu application is effective for a vocabulary learning media at junior high school one Getek. Number two, to know the students' response to Assembler Edu as vocabulary learning media at junior high school one Getek. The significances of the study. There are three significances of the study. Number one, for other researchers. The researcher believes that the study's findings may be utilized as a reference in future research. For students, the results of the research are expected to make the learning process more interesting and enjoyable, which will improve the students' vocabulary. For teacher, it is necessary for the teacher to employ engaging techniques and media such as Assembler Edu. Students will be interested in and participate in the classroom, and they should be able to create a positive atmosphere in the classroom so that students may study in a comfortable environment. The limitation of the study, this research is limited to the effectiveness of using Assembler Edu app as vocabulary learning media at Junior High School Wanggede. Okay, next, chapter 2, literature review. There are two literature review, one related previous study, or two theoretical review. Previous study, one is the title is the effectiveness of using Assembler to learning media to help students learning at school. In the previous study, the data collection technique used a survey in the form of a questionnaire given to students regarding their responses regarding the Assembler Edu application. In the future research, test the effectiveness of the application by collecting data by means of pretest and post-test. The research will focus on English vocabulary learning for junior high school students. Number two, learning English with Assembler Edu-based augmented reality. Does the learning media matter? By Linda Imamatul Roshida. The previous study only examines the increase in student interest in learning using the Assembler Edu application. In the future research, examining the effectiveness of using Assembler Edu application on student vocabulary learning. Number three, development of Android-based augmented reality media on vocabulary mastery and pronunciation in English subjects of junior high school students by Corinul Khair Alvarez. In previous study, develop learning media using the Assembler Edu application. Number two, in the future research, examine the effectiveness of using Assembler Edu as a vocabulary learning media. Theoretical review. Media can be defined by its technologies, symbol system, and processing capabilities by Robert B. Kuzma. According to Umar Hamalik, learning media are tools, methods, and techniques used in order to further streamline communication and interaction between teacher and students in the education and teaching process at school. Types of media. According Anita mentioned there are several types of media, namely non-projected visual media such as caricature, illustrations, chart, graph, diagrams, maps, and so on. Number two, project visual media such as slide or film frame, overhead projector, opaque projector, film strip. Number three, audio media such as radio, optical media, tapes, telephones, and so on. Number four, audiovisual media such as television and voice slide. Number five, multimedia such as interactive media, hypermedia, virtual reality, multimedia kits. Vocabulary. Jack C. Richards and Willie A. Renandia said that vocabulary is a core one component of language proficiencies and provides much of the basis for how well learners speak, listen, and write. Vocabulary learning. Learning vocabulary needed long process from new, remembered, and understood word. When we learn or talk about vocabulary, have repeated word day-to-day continual. Smith in Beans said that one important found from research suggests that vocabulary learning never stopped. Vocabulary learning was a continual process of encounter new words. Harmon in Beans. Assembler Edu apps. Assembler Edu is an augmented reality application designed exclusively to meet the needs of educators, particularly those involved in the teaching and learning process. Assembler Edu hopes to deliver a more engaging and fun learning and teaching environment. This application is augmented reality based, allowing for more participatory learning for students. Chapter 3, Research Method. The research design, the researcher will use an experimental design. According to Sugiono, experimental research method is a research method conducted by experiment, which is a quantitative method used to determine the effect of independent variables or treatment on dependent variables or result under controlled condition. Quasi-experimental is a type of quantitative research design conducted to explain relationship on and or clarify why certain events happen. It is the causal research, which analyzes the difference treatment between two groups. This is the time and setting. Population and sample. Population is all subjects being studied. Parahu defines population as the total number of units from which data can be collected, such as individuals, artifacts, events, or organization. The population of this research will be taken to junior high school Wangedek students. Sample is a subgroup of the target population that the researchers plans to study for generalizing about the target population. The sample in this study will be taken in class 7 at junior high school Wangedek. Variable of the study. Research variables are anything in the form of anything that is determined by the researcher to study so the information about it is obtained and conclusions are drawn. By Sugiono. Independent variable. In this study, the independent variable is assembler edu media. Dependent variable. In this study, the dependent variable is the learning outcome of students. Data collection. Data collection will be a test, pre-test and post-test, and questionnaire. And the instrument of the study, there are two instruments. Now one is test and questionnaire. Data analysis, the data analysis technique that will be used in this research is quantitative data. The quantitative method is the form of number derived from measurements using a scale of the variables in the study. By Squiono, the data will analyze by using SPSS 16.0 for Windows. And that the reference. And that's enough for me. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.